how to change shipping address on Amazon after order. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can change shipping address on Amazon after order, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change the shipping address, which is the delivery address on Amazon after you've already placed your order, this might not always be available, because if the product has already been shipped to the warehouse and then you want to change the shipping address, in that case it can't be changed. But if you only just ordered it, the seller has not begun the packaging process, if it is still in the pending process, you can actually choose to still change the delivery orders and the locations. So open up your Amazon app, come to the account page, go to your orders, you'll find a list of orders, select the edit order details option, and then you'll be able to edit those orders. But remember, the seller must not have packaged it, because you'll find the order status. Now if you can cancel the order, you can try to cancel the order, get a refund, and make a new order with the improved location. Or the final option here is to simply contact Amazon customer service. You can contact them within the app by tapping the three lines option, scrolling down to customer tab over here. Then you'll be able to see different ways to contact them. You can simply send them an email, or you can simply scroll down and select more support as well. Then you can see something else, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then contact them and let them know the issue. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.